Hello, and welcome to Early Music Studio's Music Box series, where we'll be looking at some of the wonderful gifts the composers of the past have left to us. Let's see what's in the music box today. Here is music written by François Couperin at the court of King Louis XV of France. Couperin's music is full of imagination. It contains portraits of people at court, natural surroundings, and even clockwork devices. The piece we'll be looking at today is called La Reine des Coeurs, or the Queen of Hearts. This is the first piece in the 21st suite, and the beginning is based on a descending scale in the left hand. This gives the atmosphere of a graceful curtsy. You can imagine the queen coming into the room and all of the courtiers bowing. As we go on, we can hear two melodies interweaving in the right hand. If I were to play this exactly according to the rules of ornamentation, it would sound like this, which not only creates strange intervals, but also creates an offbeat accent, which is rather awkward. In these situations, I find it's better to break the notes up, to stagger them for a smoother effect. We have a nice rounded phrase. This is a saraband, a slow dance with accented second beats. And Couperin uses ornaments to reinforce this effect. Further into this next section, we hear the left hand playing a lot of ornaments on the second beat. Has kind of a gentle, glittering feel. It's the sort of thing you hope to live through in live performance. But overall, it provides a burst of light in the middle of this piece. Toward the end of the piece, intertwining melodies are combined with a courtly rhythm to make a graceful conclusion. If you would like to hear the complete piece, please click on the link below in the remarks. This is part of the Couperin collection, in which I recorded 4 suites of Couperin on this harpsichord. Please click like and subscribe if you like this video. There are lots more coming. Bye for now.